How to customize the header and footer of Wix website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a little or a big customization for the header and the footer of your website in the Wix editor. The process are going to be very easy and very simple. So you are going to head over your Wix website or your Wix platform, sign in for an account within the platform, select the website, and this is a random or standard a process to do. So we are going to click on edit site in the dashboard of the website, select it. As you can see, we have here preloaded the website that we are going to work on. So because it will take a little bit of time, so I have preferred to preload it in advance. Now, what I am going to do here, as you can see, we have the header, which is going to be this part of the website. As you can see, it is called the header. We can change the header design or quick edit it. If we click on change header design, you're going to see the scroll and the regular, let's say, parameter. For the regular one, we're going to see the fill color and opacity. So you can go ahead and set up the background color to a certain color or a transparent color. For example, I'm going to put it in blue. We can go ahead and put it in cream like this. And here for the border, you can adjust the opacity and the color of the border and also the transparency of that. The top border width and also the bottom border width. For the corners, you can go ahead and set up some corners radius and some shadows. You can apply some shadows for the angle and distance, size, blur, and opacity. Now for the scroll, you can go ahead and set up here the opacity or the filling color and also the opacity of the scrolling. For example, whenever you are going to scroll, you are going to apply an effect. That was for the change the design. Now for the header effect, you can set up the column background. As you can see, the paragraph, which is going to be the title, the column background also in here, the hamburger menu, you can go ahead and set it up like that. Also the open button, as you can see here. So you can set it up or the text of it, for example, a text only or icon only, and for example, etc. I can go ahead and click on here. So we can go ahead and change the icon, also the accessibility of the name. Aside from that, here we do not have much, let's say, options for this case, but it is going to be what it is. So here you can go ahead and manage the columns by adding the menu. So here we have a hamburger menu. You can go ahead and click on add elements from here, and you're going to head over the menu. So you can go ahead and get your menu, themed menus, horizontal menus, only horizontal that would fit correctly on the, as you can see, the header. And the hamburger menu is going to be having a specific one. So if I go ahead and put here and attach to the header a menu, it is going to be here. And it is going to contain the pages, also the menu items that we have in here. So basically, that was pretty much it. So aside from that, you can go ahead and delete that and let only the hamburger menu or the do the reverse thing. Delete the hamburger menu and add only your menu by heading over the menus and anchors, and you're going to see everything. So we have the hamburger menus in here. Basically, that was for the header. Now let's go to the footer. As you can see here, we have a big footer. So you can go ahead and manage the footer by clicking on quick edit and see everything about the footer. So here we have the title of the footer, the column background of this title, the column background of the second column, and the paragraph. You can go ahead and change one by one. For example, here a paragraph like a phone number, a let's say here an email, a contact email. We have the address, get subscribe form. As you can see here, we have some subscribe newsletter to the newsletter or forms. So the field name here in here, the bottom name, for example, subscribe or sign up. I'm going to change it. Let you see here how we can change it up. Sign up, for example, you're going to see the button changing color. And also, as you can see, we have the contact us link. You can go ahead and click on form settings, and you are going to see here that you can manage and also edit the form that you have here. The submitted messages, the payments, if you are going to accept some payments or donations, conditions, contacts, automations, and etc. So for the footer, you can add some elements into here. For example, like the here, as you can see, we have the contact forms, images, and a lot of things. For example, you can add a menu here, a themed menu like this. You can integrate it into the footer in here. So you can go ahead and attach it and make it visible. You can add some, let's say here, links or useful links like the privacy policy things and etc. These are going to be very, very useful for the customers, also for you. And for the footer settings, you can go ahead and freeze the footer, as you can see, and right there, make it, let's say, not dynamic. So basically, this is it. And also, you can go ahead and adjust the space for that specific footer that you have to make it larger or smaller as much as you want. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.